Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, we talk about insertion sort. In this video, we talk about selection sort. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. So, let's get started. These are the topics today we are going to cover. First one is what is selection sort. Second one is examples for selection sort. And lastly we talk about selection sort pseudocode and selection sort Java code. So, first of all, we should know what is selection sort. I will explain you what is a selection sort in simply. Selection sort is a simple and efficient sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly selecting the smallest or largest element from the unsorted portion of the list and moving it to the sorted portion of the list. The algorithm repeatedly selects the smallest or largest element from the unsorted portion of the list and swap it with the first element of the unsorted part. This process is repeated for the remaining unsorted portion until the entire list is sorted. Now we are going to talk about simple example for selection sort. Here I have mentioned a unsorted array that is 64, 25, 12, 22 and 11. Now let's we put the selection sort for this unsorted array and let's sort it out. As the first pass, for the first position in the sorted array, the whole array is traversed from index 0 to index 4 sequentially. The first position where 64 is sorted presently after traversing whole array, it is clear that 11 is the lowest value. Thus, replace 64 with 11. After one iteration, 11, which happens to be the least value in the array, tends to be appear in the first position of the sorted list. Our second pass is for the second position where 25 is present, again traverse the rest of the array in sequential manner. After traversing, we found 12 is the second lowest value in the array and it should appear at the second place in the array, thus swap these value. Here you can see 12 and 25 has swapped. Now 11 and 12 are already sorted. Our third pass is now for the third place where 25 is present, again traverse in the rest of the array and find the third least value present in the array. While traversing, 22 came out to be the third least value and it should appear at the third place in the array. Thus, swap 22 and 25 with element present at the third position. Here you can see 22 came to the third position of the array. Our fourth pass is similarly the fourth position traverse the rest of the array and find the fourth least value in the array. As 25 is the fourth lowest value, hence it will place at the fourth position. In the fifth pass, at least the largest value present in the array automatically get placed at the last position in the array. The resultant array is a sorted array. Here you can see 11, 12, 22, 25 and 64 are already sorted. So this is a sorted array. I hope you all can understand selection sort. How to put the selection sort for unsorted array. So now we are going to discuss about selection sort pseudocode. Our first line is for I equal 1 to n minus 1. It means this loop iterates over each element of the array except the last one. The variable I represents the starting index of the unsorted part of the array. Our second line is min equal I. Its mean initially assume the first element of the unsorted portion is the minimum. Second line is for j equal I plus 1 to n. It means this loop checks the rest of the elements in the array starting from I plus 1 to find the actual minimum value in the unsorted part. Our fourth line is if a j element smaller than a min element, then it means compare the current element aj with the current minimum element a min. If a j element is smaller than min equal j, it means update min to the index j where the smaller element is found. Then n4. End the inner loop after finding the minimum element in the unsorted part of the array. Then if min not equal I, then interchange a I element and a min element. It means if the smallest element is not already in its correct position, swap it with the element at index I. This places the smallest element in its correct position in the sorted portion of the array. Lastly, n4. It means end the outer loop and continue with the next element in the array. I hope all you can understand the pseudocode of selection sort. So next move to Java code of selection sort. Here I have mentioned the Java code of selection sort. In this code, our unsorted elements are 56, 98, 21, 45, 6 and 87. By running this code, we can see this unsorted array is sorted to sorted array. By sorting this array, our sorted array is 21, 45, 56, 87 and 98. You can use this Java code and implement it and get a brief idea about selection sort implementation. So, this is our end of the video. You can learn previous video by watching Learn IT with Amma YouTube channel. So, next we will talk about bubble sort in the sorting method. Thank you. We will see in next video. Bye.